Yo, what's up? It's Martin back at it again. Today I'm dropping a fresh meme coin launch and showing you how to actually make more money off these things. A lot of people hit me up after my last videos saying they made bank using these tactics. Every new video I bring you underground crypto methods you won't find anywhere else. So if you don't want to miss out, hit that sub button and turn on your notifications. And if you want more deep dive content on crypto and meme coins, smash that like button. Right. Today we are checking out Solana launch methods and how efficient they are. You can go for quick launches, easy and fast money, do more of these, stack more cash, or you can do fully polished launches. That's harder. You'll need a team, building a website, running a big Telegram group, marketing your token, all that crap. That's a whole operation and requires actual effort. But let's be real, on this channel, we're about minimum effort and maximum profits. So screw the team, we're keeping it simple. Next video, I'll drop real tricks on how to pull off fast launches, how to make logo in 5 minutes, how to whip up a website in 10. All that's coming soon. For now, not overcomplicate things, alright? Let's see how to launch fast and how much cash we can actually make. First step, find a funny ass name. That means checking out what's trending. Forget pump fun, it's dead. It's crowded as hell, and their own bots are out there wrecking everyone. Instead, we're going straight to Dex Screener. Open Dex Screener, what do we see? At the top, meme coins are on Solana, listed on Raydium. That's where people are really looking for new tokens. Binance Smart Chain is shit. Ethereum, not a good volume. Base chain, it was never there anyways. So Solana volume is the best. And this isn't from random DeFi projects. This is purely meme coin volume. Other chains have different types of traffic, but Solana is still king of the meme coins. To find today's hottest Solana tokens, you just gotta go to the left panel, select Solana, then hit the trending 24-hour tab. Boom, we found one. Right at the top, there's a coin called IMG. Looks like it's a CPMM kind of thing, just like what we're about to make. It's sitting 350k in liquidity. That's insane. Maybe one day we'll drop a meme coin that hits numbers like this. Who knows? But for now, we are on the right track, right? So what I'm gonna do right now is showing you why we are into this CPMM pool kind of thing. It's because whenever you check the X screener and you hit the newest button, you'll see a bunch of coins. They are just created on Raydium. And as you can see, when you create a coin, it will appear there like in a second. So if we're like doing this, we gotta use CPMM pools. It's best thing to do. So our steps are pretty simple. Step one is pick a name. Today I'm gonna go with a name that's timeless. Normally you take a trending token and spin a funny name from that, but today I want to see what happens if it goes something more generic, something that always works. We're gonna do everything on ares.tools. It has every option to create a CPMM token. It is basically a token creator. Actually, you can create your liquidity from there as well. Goes right through to the Raydium. And you can remove your liquidity way faster than Raydium. That's the main key, right? For the name, we're just writing our name down. It's Bobcat. As symbol, we'll do the same without the cat. And description, I'll just put something like the cutest cat on earth or something like that. And then we need to find an image for that token, alright? It's that simple. for image. I'm gonna check out my beautiful web website called Google Images. Let's get that lesbian looking cat. Kind of cute though, right? When we upload that cat, there's other steps just as revoking the freeze, revoking the meet, revoking the update. I'm gonna talk about these steps again and again because I got like so many comments about them. This is mandatory, alright? You have to do it. If you want people to buy your token, it has to revoke, it has to have these attributes disabled. Revoking freeze, mint, and update. You gotta do them because revoke freeze means like you can basically freeze their accounts, and revoke mint is like you can mint more, and revoke update is you could update the data of the token. So after creating our token, what we can do, we can go ahead and to see it on self scan, but we don't really need that. We could just copy the token address from user face itself, and we could create liquidity pool. I'm gonna push it right here. For our base token, I'm gonna select the the BOB, which is Bob. I'm gonna put like 9 and delete 1 zeros because like we want them to think the developer is fair, takes only 10% of the total supply. That's the reason. Fee tier, don't worry about that. That's not important. Then we push that initialize liquidity pool button. Then we are set to go. We're going to do this. All right. Just confirm that transaction and your liquidity will be there. As you can see, our liquidity is created. It's right there. When you go through the scanner, it's not going to be shown right away. So I'm going to skip that part to see how our token doing to show you like in about 20 seconds. So guys, it's been like 7 minutes. Our token has reached 6 Solanas, which is pretty good. We spent some money on our token for creation, for initializing the pool, all that crap. But as you can see, we got like big, really big buys, and also we got some snipers or just messing with the graph, some small amount of sells. So we're really in a good point, I could say. We're making some money in here with this really underrated CPMM thing. And when you go to the ares.tools, normally you can't just remove your liquidity before 10 to 15 minutes, but ares.tools like got its interface. It allows you to remove that liquidity like instantly. You could just remove it in 1 minute. I'm not going to do that. I'm against rugs, as you know. I never rug anything. So let's calculate what we made here. These are the fees we paid. 0.5 for token creation, and also I'm thinking like 0.45 for initializing the liquidity, as I remember, which is, and also like we added like 1 Solana to the liquidity, and it makes 4 point something. And right now the Solana is 170, something like that, maybe 175. We made about $700 in a couple of minutes. I mean, this is crazy. You gotta try this. I'm not going to tell you like do this quick method to make money. I'm just showing you to avoid getting scammed. Avoid getting You know what I mean? Just make sure you subscribed, follow whatever you do on YouTube. I really appreciate it. Thanks.